So actually, I'm gonna make a separate video for the side skirts installing them. So I'm gonna cut the video here. So thanks for watching, everyone. All right, part 2 of this whole. All right, sorry about that. Part 2 of this car show prep, Water by the Bridge in Kentucky. Link in the description of the event, even though it'll probably be past, so never mind about that. So, won't be doing the carbon fiber front lip this video. I'll make a separate video for that. But side skirts, I think I could do. I think I could get it done right now. Hopefully, I think so. So, first things first. I'm the realist.
First things first, I'm the realist.
Just kidding. What am I doing? I really don't know how to approach this by myself. That's the thing. I'm gonna go for it. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't screw up. So let's line it up. So I'm gonna insert the clip that I talked about fixing this because me and Antonio had a problem with the side skirt not lining up or having a big gap. So I'll include that clip right here, right now. I was looking at the side skirt, and I was like, there's always a gap here. So I decided just to push down on this, and it clipped in behind the, like, there's a lip behind it. So let me show you on this one, because I started it, and I was like, okay, I got to record this. So it actually clips in behind everything. I can't do it with one arm, but it's kind of, there we go. Again. 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 Here, you'll see it right here. Watch this. Let me bump up the ISO. And watch. You just push down and it clips in behind just like that. So now you have this 3M piece like that, and everything is clipped in behind here. So I'm going to go down here and check that it's all. So basically, I'm going to wipe this down quickly with a dry microfiber towel to make sure it's nice and dry. What you do is line it up. There's this white tab right here that holds both the red strips of the bracket. So you line it up. So looking at pictures at Dave's car, his is basically lined up all the way up here with this. So it's like this. And that seems right. That seems right, yeah. Going for it, everyone. It's kind of tricky doing it by yourself, but if I can do it, you can do it. I need a heat gun to heat it up. Use a heat gun to heat up the glue and have it stick on. It's like holding a little, but like just not enough. It's like I'm just worried mostly about the ends, because like the center you can't really see that much that there's gaps. Well, there's gonna be a slight gap, but not that bad. Come on. put like 2 dots, one right here and one right there. So will it hold? I don't know. Do I hope it holds? Yes. That's hot. So, as always, something always has to go wrong or not my way, and I have minimal gaps on the... It's kind of hard to notice, to be honest. Like, you can really tell right in person, you can really tell there's a small gap here. I taped this down and put some epoxy down in this corner so it holds it down, and then same for this side. And then I'm going to leave this overnight to see if that holds it. But for tomorrow, because I'm not going to do this today because it's already late and Home Depot is closing soon, this tape, guys, sucks. Like, it's not good. Like, look, I'll show you. It's just not that sticky. So tomorrow I'm going to go buy some 3M and either use one whole strip like this and just place it down right here, or even trim it a little, and then do that side tomorrow. But so far already, the car looks way better with that side skirt. Without, with. So, it looks awesome. Makes the car just look a whole lot better. It like completes it in the middle right here. But alright, so change of plans, maybe. I got these all here, like the biggest like gaps, to shrink basically by heating up like the open area and then holding it down for like 10-15 minutes and just pushing it in. So hopefully that holds it, and then I might attempt this one actually. I actually will. If I heat this up beforehand and then stick it on. So let's do that. Alright, gonna wipe this down quickly. Make sure it's nice. Alright, let's do this right. This bad boy in. My camera's about to die, so I hope it doesn't die. I'll hear it die, so... This is the part I care most about, right here, just for this to stick, because the rest, the doors cover the gap. Here it's the most vulnerable. Alright, 30 minutes later, and this side is perfect, literally perfect. Now this side is going to be perfect after I take that tape off. I'm going to leave it overnight, and I'll get back to you guys in the morning. So, as always, I forgot to make an outro for this video, so I'm making it right now as I'm walking around Starbucks, because I didn't want to do it inside Starbucks. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, I know I ended it kind of weirdly, so if you guys enjoyed the video, like it and comment if you have any questions about it. If you guys like my channel, subscribe down below for more content. And yeah.